Yo, we're at Extreme Espresso Cafe. I had to like think of the name because yeah. But where you go, I follow. If I paint a movie, then your love is fine. So the food just arrived, girl. The food just arrived. Everybody's gonna eat now. They got baby ribs and Minang and I got a fish fillet in lemon pepper sauce. Comes with this. It's a lime. Ito kapag wala kang plato. Gawin ko nga yan.
Hindi ka lang. Kapusing ni. Ay. Mia! Mia!
Macbook ka?
Oo. Ano bato mo? Cute.
Yeah. Ha? Yung. Sila.
Tagal kasi
Everyday. Ha?
parang Jollibee yung lalagyan.
Oo nga eh. May repolyo dito. Repolyo ba to? Tapos meron pang fucking crinkled butter shit. May tinudok, may empty sheet, may iPad, may 10 pesos, may marker, may hanger. They're both Aki.
Gusto mo ba na ano? Gusto mo mag-travel back in time? Do you wanna travel back in time? Gusto ko yung buns na ay, umalis naman na si Baby Joel. Michelle! Katabi kasi sila doon, parang si Ate Joel at saka si Ate Livy ng bata.
Walang tulad sa tamis ng unang kilig. Tulad sa tamis ng unang kilig.
Love me, honey, honey, honey. You make it going just like a beat.
Hey, sweetie, sweet. Like honey, honey, dripping for me. Fuck ass haircut. What the fuck? So I got these. So I just tested this Sparkly Glimmers. This is what it looks like. May mga flowers and diamonds and everything glitters in there. It's very beanie coated.
Ulihin mo na lang tol, lagay mo sa libro mo.
Yung gago. Laki-laki oh. Lilipad ang paro-paro.
Sige ba?
Ang bangis.
Ay,
ang
putang.
Laki gago. Shit. Fuck.
Yung sinisige-sige mo.
Fuck. So don't give away about the motherfucking piano. She was like, kinukuha nyo? Hindi pa rin nila makuha. May bulldog. Okay, so let's go. All you need is pride. All you need is pride, bitch.